Welcome back to Carcam tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a simple trumpet instrument, trumpet. I hope you like it. So let's see how to do in Solidworks. It's easy and widely used instrument. The first part here we will sketch trumpet body. So let's start. Front plane, sketch, and go to sketch, and here you will select circle, and here draw two circles with origin point. Okay, now choose smart dimension and let's define it. And we will keep the diameter outer 11 mm and inside 10 mm. Okay, exit and go to extruded boss and extrude 10 mm. We want to extrude only up to 5 mm. That's it. Now select the part 1 and let's choose the material. If you will go to appearance, here you will find out brass. The trumpet almost it looks like yellow metal, so we select brass finished. See here. Okay, now select this outer surface, sketch. Now choose again circle, and here draw one circle, and let's keep diameter 12 mm. Okay, now select inside circle and convert entities. Okay, now exit and select extruded boss. Now here we want to extrude up to 60 mm. We want to keep the length 60 mm. Okay, see, now again choose the outer surface, sketch, take the position and select here circle, and here we will draw two circles. Okay, keep smart dimension, and outer one we will select 11 mm and inside one keep 10 mm. It's almost equivalent to inside. Even you can directly select the inside circle and convert it, and select extruded boss. Now see, and this is the length of main part of trumpet. Keep the length 190 mm, and let's make the angle 0.4 degree. Draft keep outward. Okay, see, now select this face, sketch, circle, and here draw two circles, 1 and 2. Let's define the radius, diameter. Outer one keep 15 and the inner one let's say 13 mm. Okay, and extrude it and keep the length 75 mm. Now you can see it here. Okay, so see, this length is created. Now let's choose top plane, sketch, normal. Now select here center line and draw a center line. Exit. Now let's define this gap from bottom line 10 mm. Okay, choose a line and start from here to this point. Exit, line keep little above. Okay, up to this line upward, okay. Now this is the simple geometry. Let's define the length 50 mm. Okay, now drag and select this point and this point. Okay, it's time to define 15 mm, 15 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm, okay, it's by default 5 mm. Okay, let's create some relation. Select these two lines collinear. Now it's perfect. Now let's define the dimension 1 mm. This also keep 1 mm and select the outer line, keep 2.5 mm. Okay, now the geometry is fully defined. Select revolve boss base and the center line selected as a revolution axis. Select here. Okay, now this is stand created. Now here we will define some fillets. So select here 10 and here choose multiple radius. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This outer we will keep 10 mm, but inner we will reduce 1 mm. The center one 2 mm, 1 mm. So you can see how to change the radius in one step with the help of multiple radius fillet. Okay, that's it. Now again choose top plane, sketch, and here we will create one simple geometry, center line. Draw one vertical line, exit. Now select this point and this point and make relation horizontal. It means in same level. Okay, now let's define this gap, keep 7.5 mm. Okay, now exit. Now select this outer surface, sketch, normal, circle, and select this point. Even you can little take taper and try this point. Okay, draw here two circles. Okay, the outer one let's say 15 mm and inside 13 mm. Okay, now extrude it. Keep 75. Let's adjust the position, reverse direction, and unmerge result. We don't want to merge this body with this body. Okay, now here we will create one plane. So do one thing, you can see the plane, select this plane or this face. We already selected the face, and here select this line. Now see, we want to create parallel. Select parallel line. See, this is going to be create a parallel line. Okay, Now select this face, sketch, circle, let's keep and find out center point and draw two circles. Now it's time to define 14 and 13 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 45 mm. Now you can see it here. Okay. Now here just expand this axis, plane 1. Now select this face, sketch, and here draw two circles. Just find out the midpoint, that's it. Okay, and select inside circle and convert entities. Now keep the outer diameter 16 mm. Okay, and extrude it. Extrude only 5 mm, but keep reverse direction. See? Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal. Now select here three-point arc and choose this midline. Exit or delete it. Again choose, select this center point. Okay, do not take any relation, so it easy for us. (23.65 mm). Let's make the gap 1.85 mm. Okay, now select the end points. Center point and end point of circle. Okay, now exit. Now select this face, sketch, click convert entities. Now both these faces are converted. Better to select inside circle also, convert entity. It is also converted. Now simply exit. Now just go to feature and select here swift boss base command. You can see here profile selected, just select the path. See here. Okay, now see. Now select this face, sketch, normal, and here we will draw one trumpet body profile, flute profile. So first do one thing, select center line and select the center point of this circle. If you will select this circle and you will find out here. Okay, and draw one circle, center line. It should be from midpoint. Now let's select line. Start to draw from here to this end. I am going to draw a random geometry. Draw some circles so it looks little nice. If you will go back to the point, it will automatically convert into circle. Exit. Again choose. Okay, start. Let's start from here. Convert into half circle and connect with this point. Exit. Now this is a simple design what we want. Let's define it. First select overall length. (123.5 mm). Let's select distance from one end. (37.85 mm). Okay. Now let's choose the gap. 4 mm. Let's say 11 mm. That's it. Keep 2 mm and distance from here cancel it. First check, make it 10 mm. This quite better, and this one we will make 11 mm. Okay, now same point, and you can reduce this distance. Here also we can reduce, do according to our requirement. It's not hard and bound case that we should do. And here also let's make the gap 2 mm. Or better draw the center line so that we will exit. Okay, so make it 4 mm because it's going to take the diameter, not the radius. That's perfect. And directly click here, fully defined sketch, and select here calculate. Now all the select here OK. Now see all the geometry, all the dimension, it will calculate automatically. No need to calculate it. Revolve boss base. Now here select this center line. You can see it's going to revolve here. Okay. See. Now select this plane, for plane 1 sketch, and here draw a center line. Find out the midpoint of this circle. Okay. And draw a horizontal line. Make sure it's horizontal. No need dimension or anything, just for reference. Exit. Now we want to make multiple number of parts. So how we will do it? Select here linear pattern. Select the direction and select the body. Here keep only 3 and keep the gap and distance between two parts 25 mm. Select OK. Now see. Now let's make here two planes. So select first plane 1, plane. Now here we selected the plane 1, and let's select this axis geometry sketch we created, perpendicular, coincident, Okay. Now this is the our plane 2. Now we will make one plane 3. So select front plane and select this axis initial point. Now see here, we selected this lines in initial point. See here, parallel. Front plane, parallel and coincident. Okay. So we created plane 3 and 2. Plane 1 we can hide it. Now let's make the geometry. Now here we want to connect these 3 bodies. So select plane 3. Sketch. Okay. First draw a center line. Exit and make sure the center line horizontal. Select circle and draw 3 circles here or 2 circles here. Exit. Let's define the diameter 5 mm. And distance from outer edge 23.535 mm and the second one 52.35. Okay, and extrude. $50 mm, but select here reverse direction. Okay. Now see, it's connected all 3 bodies. Now let's make some planes. Or better, first select fillet 12 mm. Select this 3 edges. Okay. It's little going down. Now let's make the plane. Select here plane 3 or select first plane. Now first select plane 3. Keep distance 25 mm, flip direction. Okay. Now plane 4 is created. Again choose plane. First select plane 4. That's it. Now second select plane 2. Again let's select plane. Drop down here and find out here plane 2. Here better choose plane 4. Clear, delete. Plane 4. See, and the next is plane 2. So you can see it here. We are going to make another plane with 45°. Okay. Now this is the plane 5. You can see here. Now here we will make one more plane. Plane. Let's select plane 4 and plane 2. And see here, it's going to create this plane 5 already created. Select flip. Mid flip. Okay. Now select this plane 5. Sketch normal. First select center line and define it midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint. Select circle, draw one circle and let's keep the diameter 10 mm and distance from outer edge 31.75 mm. Exit. Now see, this is we created plane 5. Now select plane 6. Sketch, normal. Exit. Again we will select, because we need perfect position, plane number 6, sketch, normal, and find out the position of here, the circle of what we created. Select line and select the center point. Draw upward direction, convert it into circle and up to same point. Exit. Let's define (18.5 mm). Keep radius 6.8 mm. Exit. Now here select shift boss base. See the profile path selected, just select the profile. Now it's going to see, okay. So this is a kind of part for trumpet, for flute variation. Now we need to create some more planes. We will create, this is plane number 4. Select plane number 4, plane, flip direction, keep distance 25. Okay. Now this is the plane number 7 we created. Now let's create plane number 8. Plane, select the plane number 7. This is the 7, and select the plane number 2. Just to find out where this is the plane number 2. Now see, plane number 8 going to create here. Okay. So this is the plane number 8 also created. Now here we will hide some planes. So plane 3, just hide it. Plane 4 also hide. Only what we need we will keep it. Plane number 6 also hide it. And plane number 5 also hide it. Now plane number 2, plane number 7 and plane number 8. This is what we required. Now select plane number 8, sketch, normal. First draw a center line. Let's draw a circle. Draw a circle just below the line. So okay. Now defined it. This distance from (30.95 mm) and let's say the diameter 10 mm. And distance from center line (1.73 mm). Now exit from the plane. Now see, we created one circle here. Now here choose 3D sketch. Select 3 point arc, select this center, now do one thing, just press tab. We want to draw a quarter circle. Okay, exit. Now let's define it. $16.53. Okay, take little out. Now here choose line. Now select this point and draw a line. Now convert it into a half circle. Press tab key and it's going down. Okay. Now again draw a line and convert it into arc. Again press here tab. Or escape. Choose here 3-point arc. Tab. Exit. Now see. Now we will do one thing. Select this point and this point. Make relation here along x-axis. Okay. Now select the same here also. X-axis. Okay. Now select this arc and this arc equivalent. Okay. Now choose the smart dimension. 25 mm and radius 10 mm. Okay. Here also select these 2 points and make along x-axis. See? Okay. So now the geometry is perfect. Select these 2 points, make tangent. Even you can take little inside. Tangent. Select these 2. I think this is not perfect, so just delete it again, because we want to keep in one plane, not, it should not be in different ways. Three-point arc. Press tab key. Okay. Exit. Now again let's try. Equal. Okay. Select these 2 points along x-axis. Okay. Now this is quite perfect, and we will do one thing. just delete this relation, this line. Okay, this deleted. Exit. Now we want to create a plane, so select here plane, select this line and select this point. Okay, now here we created a plane. Select this plane, sketch and draw a circle here and keep the diameter 10 mm. Okay, now exit and go to feature and here select shift boss base, select the circle and path. See, okay. Now here we created. Now again we will create one sketch here to join this face. 3D sketch, 3-point arc. Select this point, press escape and find out this midpoint. Exit. We will keep the diameter same, 16.5 mm, so that it will be equivalent to this. Okay. Now select, exit from the sketch and select here shift to boss base. Profile path selected, just select this circle. See here. Or exit, select this circle, sketch, convert entity. Now it is converted. Exit, shift to boss base. Now see this profile selected, just select here path. Now this is going to be perfect. Okay. Now see, you can hide this plane. Even you can hide the plane 7, plane 2 we required, plane 8 also hide. Now this only this face, this plane we this geometry we want to mirror it, so select plane 2, mirror and select this part only. Okay, now see, now you can hide this geometry. Now we created a perfect shape. Now select this face, sketch, circle, find out midpoint and draw a circle and keep the diameter 12 mm. Keep 11 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to only 5 mm. Okay. Now again select this face, sketch and draw a quite bigger circle and keep the diameter 12 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 60 mm and keep the thickness 1 mm inside. Okay. Now select this face or make one axis. Choose here axis. Select this inside face. Okay. Now here we created one axis. Let's create one more plane here. Plane. Here axis selected, just select the plane 2. We selected plane 2 and keep the angle 10 degree flip direction. see. Okay. Now select this plane number 10, sketch, normal. Select here, let's try with line first. Midpoint and convert it into arc. It's not converting, so better choose 3-point arc. Okay. Exit, line, and convert it into 3. Okay. Exit. Now select both the end points horizontal in one line. Let's define 25 mm, 25 mm, 25 mm, make 25 and check this, it's by default 25 mm. Now exit. Now here we created the path. Now select this face, sketch, convert entity. Now outer circle is converted. Exit from the sketch and go to feature and find out here swift to boss base command. You can see here the circle selected, just select the path. See here. Okay. Now you can see hide this plane number 10. Hide this axis also. Now here we will create one more plane. Before creating plane, make one center point here. Select this face, sketch, select here point and put in center. Exit. Now let's try to create the plane. Exit and select here plane. Now first select this center point and select plane. This plane must be parallel to plane 2. Now okay. Now here we created plane. Select this plane 11, sketch, normal. Put one more time. Now here we are going to start our geometry line. First draw a center line. Okay. Now choose a line and start from the end point. Exit. Now let's define 13 mm, keep the overall length 309.5 mm. Okay. Now choose spline. Exit. Now select tangent relation here and define the dimension. (110 mm) and distance from this point keep 60.3 mm. Okay, and this distance we will adjust according to our requirement. Okay, now choose offset 3 mm and select this line. See here. Okay, circle. Let's make center line. Three-point arc. Make little bigger circle. Let's say 2 mm. 2.5 mm. Okay, again choose line and come to the bottom and up to here and close. Exit. Now it's time to revolve. Select revolve boss base and here select this axis. Now see the final body of trumpet is going to create. Okay. See. Now hide all the planes. Isometric. So this is our trumpet body. You can see it here. Hide whatever geometry is looking here. Let's save this body. Go to desktop and create a folder trumpet. This is part 1 body. Let's do the another parts. Here let's make the trumpet valve. So select front plane, sketch, select line and start from the origin point. Convert it into a half circle. Exit. Now let's define 20 mm and 8 mm. Keep 1 mm. Okay. Keep radius 2 mm. 0.5 mm and this one keep 3 mm. Now see the geometry is fully defined. So Let's check this side. It should be 2 mm. Okay. Delete this relation and make it 2 mm. Okay. Now select revolve boss base. Select this point as a axis, this line. Okay. Now choose fillet. 0.5 mm and select this 3 edges. Okay. Now go to inserts feature and here you will find one option dome. Keep 1 mm and select this face and select reverse direction, inside direction. Okay. Now see the wall body is created. Just define the material. Let's say steel. Satin finish steel. So it looks. Now save. Part number 2, wall. Let's see the next part. The next part here is voice tube. Write plain sketch. Select here circle. And keep the diameter 13 mm and extrude it. Extrude up to 40 mm and thickness keep reverse direction 1 mm. Okay. Let's define the material brass polished. Now select this face, sketch, circle and draw a bigger circle and let's keep the diameter 15 mm. Okay. Now select inside circle, convert entities. Now select extruded boss. Keep 20 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, convert entities. Select inside circle, convert entities. Exit. Now choose front plane, sketch, normal. Here select ellipse. Exit. First make center line. Now choose ellipse. Center point. Exit. Choose trim entity and select delete half circle. Okay. Now define it. $65 mm and the center distance 25 mm. Okay. Exit. Now choose here swift boss base. The path selected, just select the profile. Okay. See here. Select this face, sketch, circle and draw a circle here. Keep the diameter 15 mm. And select inside circle, convert entities. Extruded boss, 20 mm merge. Select this face, sketch. Inside circle, convert entities, choose circle, and define the radius, outer radius 13 mm. Now select extruded boss. Keep 40 mm. OK. Select fillet. 0.5 mm and choose outer edge. OK. So this is the voice tube. Save it. Here let's do the last part, nozzle. Choose front plane, sketch. Draw a circle and keep the diameter 9 mm. OK. And extrude it. Extrude up to 45 mm and keep angle 1 degree. Outward, draft outward. OK. Let's say material polished finish. Shell. Keep 0.5 and select both the end faces. OK. Now see. Now select top plane, sketch normal. And here we will draw one geometry. First draw a center line. Select here line. Convert it into half circle. And convert it into circle. Exit. Again choose line. Exit. This is the rough geometry. We will not give any specific dimension, only length and height. Keep 35.5 mm. Let's give the end point so it will be more efficient. 16.6 mm. 11.8 mm. OK. Take it inside. 2.2 mm. Take take it down so all will be better. Select these two lines collinear. Okay, this is the rough geometry. We don't want any perfect. Revolve a boss base. Okay. Choose fillet. Keep 10 mm. Select this. Two mm. Okay. One mm. So this is the nozzle. Let's save this body, this nozzle. Part number 4, nozzle. Now let's start the assembly of trumpet. Now here let's do the assembly of trumpet. Select here assembly. Okay. See, this is the window of Solidworks assembly. Let's browse the above first part. Select trumpet body first. Okay, we will keep like this and choose valve. Now select matte. Select this face, this edge and this edge coincide. Okay. Now press Ctrl key, select this part and copy. Now choose the smart dimension, matte. Select both the edges coincident. Okay. Okay. Now the valve is fixed. Let's browse the another part. Voice tube. Choose matte. Select the inside face and this face. Reverse. Concentric relation. Okay. The same here. Cancel. Just rotate it. Now try again. Inside and this concentric relation. Okay. Now it is moving like this. Okay. Now let's fix the nozzle. Insert component and take it out nozzle. Choose here nozzle. Okay. Smart dimension. Select this edge and this face. Reverse direction. Okay. Okay. So now this is our trumpet. This one is moving here and there. Voice tube. Let's save the assembly. assembly. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Every day we are doing a new project for the beginners and for the intermediate SolidWorks learner. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos. Thanks for watching.